Hey folks, what a day. The Canary XRP only ETF went live today, and XRP is sitting at about $2.30. And I just want you to keep in mind, this is why price doesn't matter. Apparently the market understands how things work, and boy did they buy. Check this out. Right there from Eric Balchuna says, congrats to XRPC. That's the XRP Canary ETF. For $58 million in day one volume, the most of any ETF launched this year out of 900, barely edging out BSOL. BSOL's 57 million. The two of them are in league of their own, though as third place is over $20 million away. So I mean that's more than $20 million higher than third place, and of course it's pretty squeaky between those two, but XRP did win. And that's just one XRP only spot ETF. There are more to come, guys. That means supply shock. Supply shock. Man, the Hispanic came out in me, right? This means that moving forward, we're going to see, as we see all of these ETFs get approved and volume starts coming in, there won't be as much XRP available in the market. And that's what you want. You want the supply to go down. You want utility realized, because ISO 2022 is going into going mandatory this month. So now you have to speak that language as far as banks goes. Clarity Act comes in, and all of a sudden the rules of the road are there. And then the tokenization of real world assets come in, and institutions and the markets and the global financial system needs to be using it. Further reduction of supply and increase in value as time moves forward. That's what we're facing, because this is just one XRP ETF. The others will continue to make an immense difference in this. This is a great market. It won't be the only winner. Remember, we still have HBAR. We're going to have Algo. We have other ETFs. We have I think there's a Stellar one as well. These things will create a supply shock, because all these blockchains, these ISO 20022 blockchains, they all have limited supplies. There's only so much. These are networks of value. They're going to transfer the value of the future financial system. Keep an eye on this stuff. Have some of it in your Roth IRA, for instance. I mean, I would consider that. I do, because I'm close to retirement, and I want to be able to take advantage of those sweet returns on my investment tax-free. And I don't have to wait around for legislation or for the government to say it's okay for me to do that. The Roth IRA gives me that ability, and you can buy these digital assets cheap right now. Anyways, I'm excited. This is great news. Hope you're having a great day. I'm off to do a few things. I'm going to be traveling here pretty soon, in the next couple of days. I want to say maybe within the week, I guess, depending. I'm waiting on a little green light, so to speak. But in any case, man, this is great news. It's exciting, and now the market as a whole gets to participate in XRP without having to buy it directly if they don't want to, and something they're familiar with, a regular market instrument, right? The ETFs. But boy, now that financial advisors, and there are hundreds of thousands of them, now that they can make money selling it, now that Wall Street can monetize digital assets in an instrument that's familiar to the wealthiest people on the planet right now, which are boomers, right? That whole generation, and institutions. You better believe they're going to be selling the heck out of XRP. Anyways, let me know what you think about this news in the comments. Like, share, subscribe, and bookmark. We'll see you guys on the next one. Till next time, adios, amigos.